Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold this week coming starting from 9th of uh, 9th of September 2024. So let's see what's happening in the market. Starting with the Forex Factory. Monday we don't have any news. Tuesday, no news Tuesday either. Wednesday we have core CPI, CPI and CPI, CPI YY. And then the crude oil inventories as medium impact. So all the news I show here are medium impact or heavy impact. So these are 1:30 and 3:30 p.m. respectively. And Thursday we have core PPI and PPI MM, and then we unemployment claims and 30-year bond auction. So that's 1:30, 60 and 6:01 p.m. So basically this Thursday news, and on Friday we have prelim consumer sentiment and prelim inflation expectations. So only news days are Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we only have medium impacts. So Wednesday, Thursday have impact news. So these are 2 days. We have heavy impact news. Okay. All right. Let's jump onto the chart, see what's happening in the market, and we'll be in the second week of September, and monthly still forming. So there's nothing much in monthly until we have this kind of a month is closed or is closing almost. Or in weekly, we have this area this area was broken, and now market stands up here, all-time high 2530, and the market rejected in weekly multiple times. So it has rejected 2530 once, then 2520 twice, and then thrice. So almost 3 times it has rejected this level. However, from there here it hasn't rejected. There's still room to got the fair value gap here as well. 2459. That's the area. 24. So market can easily test as considering these multiple doji candles and this weekly evening star as well. However, we're not going to trade like that. We have to go in further detail before we take our trades. Now on daily, rejection there, and this is a daily level here. And as you can see, it has been rejected multiple times. It has been rejected here, here, this here. And now this candle formed. It's not a very healthy candle in terms of bearish, because it has wick at the bottom of there's a rejection here. So to further explore, let's go into 4-hour and see what's happening. In 4-hour, it looks like it may come up to here, up to this fair value gap here, in this area, and then come down again. Let me go to daily to see if there's anything else. Yeah. So this is the scenario at the moment. The moment until this gold breaks this level to the upside and this to the downside, then we do not have any targets to the upside or to the downside. So upside could be around figure 25.50 onwards. We can have a target. And down to the downside, we can see this level, this multiple times market testing this level. Support, this was a resistance, and then now it becomes support here. So it has to break this level before it comes to the other levels. In 4 hour, we have this level as well, around 24.50. So I won't be surprised if this is broken, market come towards 24.50 and to the downside. And if it breaks to the upside, around 25.50 onwards. So this is the situation in weekly, and it's a range. In other words, this is a range. So we have to be careful when we trade. And if you want to go for scalping or day trading, you can use 1 hour and so on. Going into daily range here, what I normally do, I draw these 2 lines on daily because I have a live chart every day on my channel, so you can have some guidance from there. So what I do, I mark the daily range of the previous day, and then it helps to see which way the market is going towards. And then I mark our Asian zone as well and important support and resistance levels. So here, this is a daily level here. So if you need any guidance, you need to you just need to come on live, and I have a chart live there. So this is a daily level. I marked it red. It hasn't been broken. So in daily, we're still bullish. Market took the liquidity multiple times, 1, 2, 3. So until this level is broken, it's hard to say the market will come to the downside. In 4 hour, the structure wise, in 4 hours, a huge range, as you can see. We got 25, 30, and then we got 25, 24.70 level. So this is a huge range, 30 to almost 600 pips range. So this range has to be broken before market move to the one side. So let's see how it market will behave, and I hope this is useful. All you have to do, just go to my YouTube channel and go for the live chart video, which I have put every day. Okay, I hope this is useful, and you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye.